You learn to apply self-compassion and long-term coping strategies, and you start feeling in control of your habituation process, so you know that you can continue progressing and claim your life back from tinnitus. And then we also have a bonus module, and as soon as you join, you get access to, for example, also of all our weekly events, accountability check-in, different topics events, and you get access to this whole vast catalog of individual resources that will definitely teach you and tell you how you can go from bothersome to non-bothersome tinnitus. You will get access to the success story space, where we have a lot of lovely feedbacks from people who, share how amazing their journey with tinnitus and on our platform has been in 3-month progress.